Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and create like humans. This isn't science fiction. This is the reality we are rapidly approaching. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Its impact is already being felt across industries from healthcare to finance to transportation. But the true revolution is yet to come. The recent unveiling of GPT-6 by OpenAI, the brainchild of visionary entrepreneur Sam Altman, marks a significant milestone in this journey. GPT-6 is not just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift. Unlike its predecessors, which excelled at text-based tasks, GPT-6 is multimodal. It can seamlessly process and generate text, images, audio, and even video. Imagine a machine that can write a poem, compose a symphony, paint a masterpiece, and edit a movie, all with equal fluency. That's the power of GPT-6. This multimodal capability is a game-changer. It allows GPT-6 to understand and interact with the world in a much richer and more nuanced way than any previous AI system. It can analyze complex datasets, synthesize information from multiple sources, and generate creative outputs that are both original and compelling. The potential applications are limitless. GPT-6 also boasts a level of sophistication and intelligence that surpasses previous models. It can perform tasks that require complex reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. It can understand and respond to nuanced language, learn from its interactions, and even exhibit a degree of creativity. This level of intelligence has led many experts to believe that GPT-6 could be a significant step towards artificial general intelligence, or AGI. The key to GPT-6's power lies in its multimodal capabilities. It's not just about processing different data types, it's about understanding the intricate relationships between them. For example, GPT-6 can analyze a video, understand the emotions conveyed by the actors, generate a soundtrack that reflects those emotions, and even write a script based on the narrative. This synergistic integration of different modalities is what sets GPT-6 apart. This multimodal mastery opens up a world of possibilities. Imagine a medical AI that can analyze medical images, patient records, and research papers to provide personalized diagnoses and treatment plans. Or an educational AI that can tailor its teaching methods to individual learning styles using a combination of text, visuals, and interactive simulations. The potential applications across various fields are vast and transformative. Beyond practical applications, GPT-6's multimodal capabilities have profound implications for our understanding of intelligence itself. By seamlessly integrating different modes of perception and expression, GPT-6 offers a glimpse into a future where machines can think and create in ways that rival and perhaps even surpass human capabilities. The development of GPT-6 has reignited the debate about artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI refers to a hypothetical type of AI that possesses human-level cognitive abilities, capable of learning and performing any intellectual task that a human being can. It's the holy grail of AI research, a concept that has both fascinated and frightened us for decades. Some experts believe that GPT-6, with its advanced capabilities and multimodal mastery, represents a significant step towards AGI. Its ability to learn, adapt, and perform complex tasks suggests a level of intelligence that is unprecedented in the world of AI. Others remain skeptical, arguing that GPT-6, while impressive, is still fundamentally different from human intelligence. They point out that GPT-6 lacks consciousness, self-awareness, and the ability to understand and respond to emotions in the same way that humans do. The question of whether GPT-6 represents a step towards AGI is a complex one, with no easy answers. Regardless of where one stands on this issue, it's clear that GPT-6 has pushed the boundaries of AI, raising profound questions about the nature of intelligence, the future of work, and the very definition of what it means to be human. Section 5. The Altman Vision, Shaping the Future. Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, is not just a tech entrepreneur, he's a visionary. His vision for GPT-6 extends far beyond its technological capabilities. He sees GPT-6 as a tool for empowering humanity, for solving some of the world's most pressing problems, and for ushering in a new era of progress and prosperity. Altman believes that GPT-6 can revolutionize education, healthcare, and scientific research. It can help us understand complex systems, accelerate the pace of discovery, and create solutions to challenges that have long plagued humanity. He envisions a future where AI assists us in every aspect of our lives, from managing our finances to planning our vacations to even composing our music. However, Altman is also acutely aware of the potential risks associated with such powerful technology. He emphasizes the importance of ethical considerations, responsible development, and ensuring that AI is used for good. He advocates for a collaborative approach, involving experts from various fields, to guide the development and deployment of GPT-6 in a way that benefits all of humanity. Section 6. Experts weigh in, a chorus of opinions. The advent of GPT-6 has ignited a firestorm of debate among experts in fields ranging from computer science to philosophy to economics. Some hail it as a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize our world for the better. Others express concerns about its potential impact on jobs, privacy, and even the very fabric of society. Technologists marvel at GPT-6's capabilities, praising its multimodal mastery, its advanced intelligence, and its potential to automate tasks and solve complex problems. They envision a future where GPT-6 powers self-driving cars, personalizes education, and accelerates scientific discovery. Economists, however, voice concerns about the potential for job displacement. As GPT-6 automates tasks previously performed by humans, millions of workers could find themselves unemployed. They urge policymakers to prepare for this economic shift, investing in education and retraining programs to equip workers with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. The rise of AI, particularly with the arrival of GPT-6, is poised to trigger a seismic shift in the global economy. While AI promises increased productivity, efficiency, and innovation, it also threatens to disrupt labor markets and displace millions of workers. The economic implications of GPT-6 are complex and multifaceted, requiring careful consideration and proactive planning. One of the most significant impacts of GPT-6 is its potential to automate tasks currently performed by humans. From customer service representatives to truck drivers to even financial analysts, many jobs are vulnerable to automation by AI. This could lead to widespread job displacement, particularly in sectors where tasks are repetitive or easily codified. However, the picture is not entirely bleak. While some jobs will be lost, new ones will emerge. The development, deployment, and maintenance of AI systems will require a new workforce skilled in areas such as data science, software engineering, and AI ethics. Moreover, AI has the potential to create new industries and markets, generating new jobs and economic opportunities. The development of GPT-6 presents us with a range of ethical challenges that demand careful consideration. From algorithmic bias to data privacy to the potential for misuse, we must tread carefully to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of all humanity. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is algorithmic bias. AI systems are trained on massive datasets, and if these datasets reflect existing societal biases, the AI system itself can perpetuate and amplify these biases. This could lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, particularly in areas such as hiring, lending, and even criminal justice. Another ethical concern is the potential for misuse. GPT-6's ability to generate realistic and persuasive text, images, and videos could be exploited to spread misinformation, create deepfakes, or even manipulate public opinion. Safeguards must be put in place to prevent such misuse and ensure that GPT-6 is used ethically and responsibly. The advent of GPT-6 forces us to confront fundamental questions about our own existence and our place in a world increasingly shaped by AI. As machines become more intelligent, more capable, and more integrated into our lives, we must grapple with what it means to be human in the age of AI. Some view AI as a threat, a competitor for resources and even dominance. They fear a future where machines surpass human intelligence and render us obsolete. Others see AI as a partner, a tool to enhance our capabilities and solve our problems. They envision a future where humans and AI collaborate to create a better world. The reality is likely to be more nuanced than either of these extremes. AI will undoubtedly transform our world, but the nature of that transformation will depend on the choices we make today. We must approach AI development with wisdom, foresight, and a commitment to ethical principles. The arrival of GPT-6 marks a pivotal moment in human history. It's a testament to our ingenuity, our ability to create machines that can think, learn, and create like us. But it's also a stark reminder of our responsibility to guide this technology wisely, to ensure that it serves humanity and not the other way around. The future of AI is unwritten. It's a story that we are writing every day with our choices, our actions, and our commitment to ethical principles. GPT-6 is a powerful tool, but its ultimate impact will depend on how we choose to use it. As we stand at the cusp of this new era, we must proceed with both excitement and caution, embracing the potential of AI while remaining vigilant about its risks. The future is ours to shape, and the choices we make today will determine the course of human history for generations to come.